Imagine buying that dream car, taking a trip around the world, or even retiring early. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it can become a reality if you start saving more money. Money, it's a tool that can turn dreams into reality, yet many of us struggle to save it. The good news? By implementing a few simple strategies, you can start saving more and worrying less. Today, we're going to explore 5 key ways to kickstart your savings journey. So get ready to change your money habits because we're about to dive into some serious saving strategies. First things first, start budgeting. You might think budgeting is about as fun as watching paint dry, but it's the cornerstone of financial success. It's like a financial GPS, mapping out your income and expenses. There are different routes to take, like the 50-30-20 rule, allocating 50% to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. Or try the envelope method, where every dollar has a designated envelope. Remember, a budget is not a constraint, it's a financial freedom fighter in disguise. Next up, shop smart, because who doesn't love a good bargain? Let's dive into the world of smart shopping. It's all about comparing prices, hunting down coupons, and resisting that urge to impulse buy. Remember, those small savings add up over time. And let's not forget the old adage, quality over quantity. Buying better, not more, can save you a pretty penny in the long run. So, before you swipe that card next time, make sure you're getting the most bang for your buck. Now, let's talk about setting financial goals because a goal without a plan is just a wish. It's crucial to set financial targets, whether it's for buying that dream house or planning for a comfortable retirement. These goals act as guiding stars, directing your saving and spending habits. Short-term goals could help fund a vacation or a new gadget, while long-term goals ensure a future where money isn't a worry. So dream big, but remember to plan bigger. Last but not least, let's tackle the big one, the emergency fund and increasing your income. An emergency fund is like your financial safety net, ready to catch you when life throws a curveball. Unforeseen medical bills, car troubles, job loss? Your emergency fund is designed to cover these unexpected expenses without derailing your financial train. Setting up an emergency fund might feel like a daunting task, but remember, even small contributions can add up over time. Start by setting aside a portion of your income each month. You'll be surprised at how quickly it grows. Now let's talk about increasing your income. There's more than one way to boost your earnings. Consider picking up a side job, or turning a hobby into a cash flow. Or dip your toes in the world of investments. Small, calculated risks can lead to big rewards. Remember, the best time to start an emergency fund was yesterday. The second best time is now. And as for increasing income, well, who doesn't like a little extra cash in their pocket? So, there you have it. 5 strategies to start saving more money. We've talked about budgeting, smart shopping, setting financial goals, creating an emergency fund, and finding ways to increase your income. Start saving now, and soon you'll be so good at it, you'll even want to save this video. And hey, while you're at it, why not subscribe to Fitness Fashion Finance for more savvy tips? Remember, a penny saved is a penny earned, but a penny invested makes you a fortune.